Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. I'm coming to you from Savannah, Georgia, where I'll be exploring for the next few days, and my home base will be the mansion at Forsyth Park. This is one of the most beautiful boutique hotels in the city, located on the gorgeous Forsyth Park. I'm going to show you around my room. It's a Park View King. This is just one of the pieces of art. There's many throughout the property. The Kesslers love art and love to show it off. And this is my king room. It's very spacious. Nice lounge chair. And right over here, we have views of the front of the hotel. Beautiful red brick. And then over here, I'm going to show you Forsyth Park. Just a peek. We have a nice little desk over here. And into the bathroom, you have those windows that can open up or shut, so you can take a tub with it open or have some privacy on your own. We have the sink, toilet, and then the shower there. So stay tuned as we explore Savannah for the next couple days.